Your house, your rules. Their worst nightmare. Reolink RLN8-410 NVR is watching, always. You don't need to be Batman to protect your home like a boss. The Reolink RLN8-410 NVR is your personal command center, an 8-channel surveillance brain that makes crime wish it picked another house. With 24/7 recording on a pre-installed 2TB HDD, it doesn't just store footage, it hoards evidence like an FBI vault. And since it only buddies up with Reolink IP cams, 16MP, 12MP, 4K, you name it, you're guaranteed compatibility, clarity, and criminal-crushing confidence. No third-party jank. No clunky workarounds. Just a solid, secure, smooth security setup, straight out of the box. Let's talk setup. PoE, Power over Ethernet, makes this baby plug-and-play heaven. One single cable delivers both juice and data, up to 330 feet, so say goodbye to cable spaghetti and hello to stress-free installs. Plus, the built-in DHCP mode means you can run this NVR without internet. Yep, you can spy offline like a true surveillance ninja. It's the perfect blend of local security independence and remote access flexibility. Want motion alerts? Boom. Live view on mobile? Got it. Sync playback? Easy. This system doesn't just work, it works smarter. And here's where it gets spicy. Reolink's AI-backed cams integrate seamlessly. Human detection? Yup. Auto tracking? Oh yeah. Two-way talk, spotlight triggers, and sirens that'll make intruders rethink their life choices? All in. This is a modular beast, customizable to the bone, letting you build a security system that rivals commercial setups, but without selling your kidney. Want more storage? Add an 8TB HDD via eSATA and keep rolling 24/7 like a security god. No monthly fees, no hidden gotchas. Just full control at your fingertips. The build quality? Bulletproof. This isn't some plastic junk from the bargain bin. It's Reolink tested, user approved, and brickhouse durable. The white finish adds a slick, clean look to your setup. Even if you cram all 8 cams into 4K or higher resolutions, this NVR handles it with zero lag, zero tears. Ethernet connection means no Wi-Fi dropouts, no buffering blues, just crystal clear footage exactly when you need it. Reliability? A+. Peace of mind? Instant. In a world of shady cloud subs, clunky third-party systems, and overhyped home cams, the Reolink RLN8-410 NVR stands tall as the MVP. It's efficient, it's cost-effective, and it saves you from future regrets and false security. Whether you're a parent, traveler, business owner, or just love sleeping well, this NVR is your new ride or die. So plug it in, power it up, and let the real surveillance begin. You're not just watching, you're owning the watch.